Have you heard the famous saying, when opportunity knocks, be sure to answer? Well, this is it. This is me knocking on your door. I'm here to tell you that you have two big opportunities in life to make critical investment decisions that will help you achieve FIRE. FIRE stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. The first big opportunity is to prioritize investing in yourself. You're here on YouTube watching this video, so I know you want that too. You need to become an expert at something, preferably within your job, or maybe even a new job, trade, or side hustle. Why? To grow your income faster so that you can save and invest. The second big opportunity is where to invest your money. To build wealth, my bet is on the single biggest engine of wealth creation on the planet, the stock market. If you love making money and watching it grow in your sleep, then smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.